Today we will be creating a simple user interface connected to our CRUD API. We start by opening the UI screen from the Design app. We click on the Create New button to add a new UI entry. We give it an ID, a name, and active status. On the Lister tab, we select the menu lister and provide a title. This lister will display all test records in a simple navigation list. Depending on your use case, you can also choose a group view or a query table when working with more records. We then switch to the Tabs tab and add a new tab named Definition. Inside this tab, we add a new grid layout. From the grid, we click Add and select the required editor. Let's start with a text editor. We can also add a select editor that lets the user select a value from a predefined options list. And we can also add a media editor that works with the link of a media. After applying the configuration, we click Save to create our UI. All configuration details for this UI are also available in the Advanced tab for review or further customization. Next, we define a source for our UI. We open the source screen and click Create New to add a new source entry. We set our CRUD endpoint as the default source and save it. Now we open the app screen. We add our newly created UI screen to a new or existing application and save the changes. Once saved, the UI becomes available through the app's URL. Let's try creating a new record using the UI. After submitting the form, the record is created successfully. You can immediately see the new entry listed on the screen. With just a few configuration steps, we've created a fully functional UI connected to our backend data.